Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to reinstall Windows 11 on your laptop and PC. So the reason why you need to reinstall the Windows 11, if you feel like your Windows 11 is lagging or it is too slow, the one solution is we need to reinstall it back. To do so, just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here directly navigate to System at the top, scroll down and navigate to Recovery. Now we have an option called Reset this PC, so click on Reset PC. Now we'll be having two options, either you can keep my files or remove everything. What I'm suggesting is we are having already trouble with the Windows 11, go for remove everything. Now just wait for a bit of time, and now we have two options, whether download it from the cloud or you can locally reinstall it. So you can go for the cloud download, make sure that you're having a strong Wi-Fi. So make sure that you're having a space of 4 GB, more than 4 GB. Click on the cloud download and go for the next, and you can set this up. And this is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.